In a world so divided, trying to find our way. Our lives filled with struggle, we're in disarray. But maybe there's a way to bring some harmony, to fight against the darkness and set our spirits free. We clash with each other, our voices out of tune, but deep down we're all connected beneath the surface moon. Let's find the balance, let's bridge the great divide. In unity we'll conquer, together we'll reside. Finding harmony in a world so unkind. Let's come together and leave the past behind with love and compassion. We'll build a better space, finding harmony in the human race. Well, with love and compassion, we'll build a better space, finding harmony in the human